In industrial operations, early signs of equipment issues are often subtle, yet they can grow into costly disruptions across your motor, drive, and rotating equipment. ABB Ability Digital Powertrain Insights gives you immediate visibility. Through an accessible digital portal, it delivers self-service intelligence that helps you spot deviations early and make smarter, data-driven maintenance decisions. You gain the clarity to plan ahead, reduce downtime, and improve reliability, with optional expert reports available whenever you need deeper analysis. Empower your teams with secure, intelligent insights. Drive performance with Digital Powertrain Insights.